Dear parents, let's talk about life skills. Everyone talks about life skills today. What is life skills? Life skills is nothing but an art of living happily by making favorable decisions in life. Do our educational institutions really teach these skills to our students? So at Gen YDC, we said that we want to create strong individuals. We want to create people who have a self-belief and who will learn to make good decisions and will have an art of making a decision so that they make their life the way they wanted. Today we have alarming rates of teenage suicides. Today's generation is pretty fragile. Even a few likes and dislikes on social media might force them to take a very extreme action. Children can't take failures. Children can't take less marks. Children can't take rejections. And what kind of generation is this who cannot sustain any kind of negative approaches in life? So at Gen YDC, we have developed a lot of inputs on making these children strong at heart and having a self-belief which will take them a long way. So along with our NIOS coaching, we give free life skill classes to children of 10th standard and even below that. So what do we teach at Gen Y? We teach them how to handle failure, how to handle rejections, how to make decisions, basically how to think, how to handle relationships, how to create a strong self-belief, how to have a sense of self-management through various tools where the children learn to fortify themselves and absolutely create a future that they want to by creating affirmations, writing journals, and most importantly, creating a career path and goal planning for their future. We have lots of role plays, we have various tools, we have hordes of games through which these children learn in a very easy manner when they know that they are learning but they don't even have the pressure nor any kind of academic pressure to perform, because this is the art of learning which comes as a natural thing for them and is imbibed in their personality forever. We request you to connect to us at Gen YDC for free counseling and also let your children join our life skill classes so that definitely they can be happy individuals and learning the art of living at a very young age. Thank you.